Hey friends, it's Cal, and this is our 30-foot Skoolie conversion my partner and I just spent this past year building out entirely from the ground up. And we're like about to make our way all the way across the country in it. Remember when we hadn't even left yet? Before breaking down entirely, getting a tow, and starting our maiden voyage off with a bang?
And proceeded to back up over the Civic.
And now the school bus might have just been driven into the Civic. Let's go. Yeah, well, we also got kittens, caught the flu, and somehow... What state are we in? I don't know, we're in Kentucky.
Kentucky.
All is good. And I just almost stepped in a litter box. And I just almost stepped on a cat. Yeah, I'm still in shock. We've made it this far. And to celebrate that, we're gonna be doing something today that we've been waiting to do for a while now. You're gonna wanna buckle up and maybe bring a flashlight for this one. I'm gonna leave you there with that. Bye.
All these RVs.
Means we can park. I don't know where I'm going, but I know it's time to begin. I didn't understand what was happening. So I started to like look through the back because I didn't know if that was part of it. But I think you just loop around. It was...
So, here we are, going down in the cave. Cal got really excited. Forgot to take any videos. So here we are. I'm zoomed in, don't know how to unzoom. You're just getting a good look at my face. So this is like as bright as it gets down here. And it's just this big tunnel cave. It's honestly pretty cool. I can understand how some people could get geeked out by this. Oh, but now like open it up, check this out. Look at that.
Alright friends, apparently I'm supposed to go that way, so I'm gonna go back that way. Really chilly in here, yeah. Oh cool. It's crazy. Memorable, getting stuck in the catacombs, like.
Okay, do you want to walk in there so I can take your picture? Then you take mine.
Thank you, though.
Okay, right, so I'm just gonna take a picture and we can head back, okay?
It does. Do you see any shapes up there? No. Do you see any bats? No. This is so cool.
So we're really excited to do Wyoming.
Okay, that. And she said you're on a bus, so are you in the team? So 3 years ago. And, here's some of the Jurassic Park, and you'll notice when you get to Preston, you'll see it.
That's so
It's
cool.
amazing. I can see if I can get you in the back. There you go, like that. There you go. Like that.
Oh, you as well, friends. Thank you.
Can you give her a high five? Hey, Cal. How was that?
That was crazy. So good.
10 out of 10 would recommend?
Yes.
Zephyr had fun too.
Guys, we did it. We have a sleeping baby to my left. We have a running bus to my right. Blake's actually sneaking back out because something we do at every park is grabbing a pin, a magnet, a sticker, and a postcard, something to remember. The park is, it's just one way we like to give back to the parks, and also we take those as memories for us. Hi. So Blake's running back out because I totally forgot a sticker, and we just had the best time ever. That was so cool. 10 out of 10. I met a really sweet family. I got to walk with them almost the entire time. I hung out with her and her grandson, and then some woman kind of overheard me speaking to my new friend. She's like, "Oh, are you in the cool bus in the parking lot?" And I was like, if it's the blue one, then yeah, that's our bus. And she's like, "Oh my god, that's so cool." And it was just really cool. She was just super excited about it, saying that it was her dream. And those are just the interactions that I live for. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for Blake. And then I also don't know where we're headed tonight. I have no clue where we're going. Eyebrow update. If the packaging on a product you typically order looks different when it arrives, don't do what I did and just say, "Ah, it's fine." They're way darker than they should have been too. Ouch. That was kind of crazy. Guys, these caves in Kentucky, a total 10 out of 10. We definitely want to go back and explore more in the future. But now I'm kind of wondering how the next stop is supposed to top this. I guess we'll just have to find out. Are you guys ready for the thing? Seriously, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a little comment down below letting me know if these caves are something you would check out. And then lastly, subscribe. That way you know you're always ready for the next adventure. Alrighty, I'll see you guys down the road.
No, we're probably just gonna learn the difference between stalagmites and stalactites. Yeah, we'll see some rocks.